Hello Nigerians. Are we ready to transform waste into wealth? There is a new revolution approach to waste management and energy production in Nigeria, called biogas. Biogas is changing how we get energy. Imagine gathering your everyday organic waste, like human and animal feces, farm waste, food leftover, etc., and converting it into free power or cooking gas. Why biogas? Biogas helps convert waste into renewable gas for cooking or electricity generation. It helps clean the air, because we don't have to use as much dirty energy like oil and gas. Biogas also helps people get jobs or become entrepreneurs. Just one biogas plant can give energy to lots of people. So, do you want venture in renewable energy, biogas installation and maintenance? Eclipse Learning Solution is organizing an intensive training on biogas/biofuel installation and production. The demand for renewable energy is skyrocketing, and government is offering incentives for sustainable practices. Don't miss this opportunity to be at the forefront of this energy revolution. Register today and enjoy an exclusive discount on the course fee. Plus, free consultation session for the first 20 to help kickstart their biogas or biofuel project. Training locations: Enugu, Benin, and online. Invest in a greener today. Start with biogas installation and production today.